Hi, I'm Max Muntanakit. I'm one of the co-chefs here at Camphor in downtown LA. Today we're going to talk about the iced beet salad. So the beets are earthy, yes, but then we kind of counteract it by pickling it in ginger ale and a lot of different spices. And then we kind of take that pickling liquid, we reduce it down to a syrup, and then we use that to top the ice. But underneath we take those beets, make a little salad with them, a savory salad with like shallots, chives, horseradish, maple vinegar, lemon oil, and that all hides underneath a mound of ice, and we top it with a little garam masala. I love that everyone's kind of shocked, because on the menu it says iced beet salad, and it's not a dessert. It's definitely a little confusing for some people, and then when they receive it, it looks just like a mound of shaved ice, which catches a lot of people off guard. It's just fun to see their reactions. We have a manual shaved ice machine, and it's shaped like a penguin. We originally served it because there was a week when the air conditioning at the restaurant broke down, so we needed something to really help cool off people. So we went ahead and just put it on the menu, and then it's been a very nice like palate cleanser, mid-course for the meal, and we've decided to keep it on. And even during winter, I find myself loving very cold things like ice cream during the winter time, shaved ice of course, so I think it's still fun to keep it on. I hope you guys can come to LA and try it.